Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the OUCAXIA C5 robotic pool cleaner. I've looked through the specifications, cleaning capabilities, and practical expectations, and I'm going to break down whether this robotic pool cleaner is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. One of the biggest strengths of the OUCAXIA C5 is its impressive 180-minute battery runtime. For a robotic cleaner in this category, 3 hours of continuous operation is a significant advantage. It gives the robot enough time to clean larger residential pools up to the advertised 2,200 square feet without requiring a recharge halfway through the cycle. For homeowners who want to drop the cleaner into the water and come back to a clean pool, this extended runtime adds a lot of convenience. The cordless design is another major selling point. Traditional robotic cleaners often require long floating cables that can become tangled or restrict movement around the pool. The C5 eliminates this problem completely. You simply charge the unit, place it in the water, press the start button, and allow it to clean independently. When the battery becomes low or the cleaning cycle finishes, the smart auto parking feature moves the unit near the pool wall, making retrieval much easier with the included hook. Cleaning performance is another area where the C5 delivers strong value. It uses a dual suction system combined with a high-speed motor to collect common pool debris such as leaves, dirt, sand, insects, and small particles. The 180-micron fine mesh filter helps capture smaller debris and sediment that can make pool water look cloudy. While it may not capture extremely microscopic particles like some premium multi-stage filtration systems, it is more than capable for regular weekly pool maintenance. The 2.7-liter top-loading debris basket is another practical feature. A larger debris capacity means fewer interruptions during cleaning sessions, especially during seasons when pools collect more leaves and outdoor debris. The top-loading design also makes emptying and washing the basket much faster and less messy compared to some bottom access systems. Another feature worth mentioning is the 10-second rapid water drainage system. Anyone who has owned a robotic pool cleaner knows that lifting a heavy water-filled robot out of the pool can be inconvenient. This design quickly releases trapped water, making the cleaner lighter and easier to remove with one hand. However, there are some limitations that buyers should consider. The biggest limitation is that the OUCAXIA C5 is primarily designed for floor cleaning only. It works on flat-bottom pools and can handle gentle slopes up to around 10 degrees, but does not climb walls or clean the waterline like more expensive robotic pool cleaners. If your pool requires wall scrubbing or waterline cleaning, you'll need to look at higher-end models with track systems and advanced navigation. Another consideration is navigation technology. The C5 provides automatic movement around the pool, but does not appear to offer the advanced mapping and AI-driven path planning found in premium robotic cleaners. This means cleaning patterns may be less optimized, and some areas might receive more passes than others. Battery-powered cleaners also require charging between sessions, so they are best suited for routine maintenance rather than continuous heavy-duty cleaning of extremely dirty pools. I've looked through the internet, checked robotic pool cleaner comparisons, user expectations, and performance trends, and here's my recommendation. If you are looking for an affordable, easy-to-use cordless robotic pool vacuum for a flat above-ground or in-ground pool, the OUCAXIA C5 is a very appealing option. Its long 180-minute runtime, large debris basket, strong suction, and smart auto parking make it a convenient everyday cleaner. However, if you have a deep pool with vertical walls, a lot of waterline buildup, or you want the most advanced navigation and filtration available, you should consider stepping up to a more premium robotic pool cleaner. Overall, the OUCAXIA C5 robotic pool cleaner offers excellent convenience and solid floor cleaning performance, making it a great choice for homeowners who want a simple, cordless solution to keep their pool clean without spending a fortune.